Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve one of the most annoying YouTube mobile app not loading videos on Home tab. If you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix YouTube mobile app not loading videos on Home tab with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. YouTube is an online platform, so it requires internet access to load videos. If your internet connection is slow or not working, the videos on the Home tab will not load. To check and fix it, try some basic tips like: turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 2. Reopen the YouTube app. Sometimes apps' internal issues might cause such problems. Therefore, it is suggested to relaunch the YouTube app once to get rid of YouTube mobile app not loading videos on Home tab problem. Solution 3. Clear YouTube app cache and data. Clearing app cache is another method that can help you removing all the temporary stored files and fix this problem. So, the same thing goes for YouTube as well. Simply clear your YouTube app cache by following the below steps. Navigate to Settings. Then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps. And find the YouTube. On the Apps page, choose Storage. And then clear storage or clear data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 4. Update YouTube app. Sometimes, an outdated YouTube mobile app can develop unexpected issues that may even prevent videos from loading on the Home tab. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. To do so, open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the YouTube and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the YouTube app to check for the problem. Solution 5. Check for service outages. Occasionally, YouTube may experience server issues. However, you can check the status of servers on the official status tracker by visiting https://downdetector.in/status/youtube/. If the server is showing down, then wait for the server to come back online. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving YouTube mobile app not loading videos on Home tab. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.